So I'm at work at the moment and I thought this would be a really cool thing to film. I've just got off the phone with a guy called Kevin. He's from Sweden, I believe, and he has run into an issue with his Honda. Someone did a skid. He's run into an issue with his Honda Grom. His Honda Grom, he's been running around the world. I think he's done 30,000 kilometers. And he's just arrived in New Zealand, got a massive issue with second gear. No one else wants to help. So I've told him to get down here and we'll sort him out. All right, so Kevin and his friend, they've just let me know they're about half an hour away. Welcome! You can park over here if you want, bro. And you just come up here, man. It's a long way to ride on a Grom, bro.
Yeah, it is. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Kevin.
meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you, Kevin. I'm Callum.
Oh, Mark.
Nice to meet you, man. So yeah, this is the problem, eh? The problem child.
Yeah, the second gear.
Yeah.
I made it here and...
First, third, and fourth, right?
Exactly.
Do you just go first and then like up and up? Yeah.
Skipping the second.
Yeah.
I did use the second a few times.
Yeah, you had to, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. But it doesn't sound good, so...
Yeah, for sure, man.
Weird that only the second gear.
Yeah, and it's only second gear. And when we first heard the sound, it doesn't sound like it is the gearbox, like itself.
No.
It's like a light sound. It doesn't sound like it's crum, crum, crum. It's really, it's like something rubbing lightly, but there's no way to tell exactly what it is. So we'll take it apart more soon. So we will know more. But definitely here overnight, for sure.
Yeah. Let's see. That's been put on the wrong way.
Bali hack jobs, eh? So they filled this whole oil passage with sealant. Nice. Nice. So the bike can't be fixed for about a couple of days at least. So we're getting parts from Japan.
Overnight parts from Japan.
We'll put it on my tab at Harry's.
And we found someone to go drop these guys off at and they can stay at his house. Off we go. Done! Found them somewhere to stay for the night. Awesome. So it turns out it's a customer of mine. And he just replied on Facebook saying that those guys can definitely go stay there. So this is pretty cool. We've ordered some parts from Japan. They could take a few days to get here, so we'll get that sorted, and I'll take you through what happened with their engine as well. It's just a really good lesson about getting stuff done over in Southeast Asia. If you're not supervising the build and you're not 100% confident about what happens, you really want to go to a name brand shop to get your stuff done, so they've got mechanics that have been trained the proper ways. This is a classic case of not doing that, and it's not their fault. They didn't know, and you know, they put a lot of trust in this person, and unfortunately it's led them into a bad place. So, or is it a good place? Look what's happened. That was the wrong size. The cam chain was probably the wrong size. But anyway, long story short, this was rubbing against second gear up here. So that was the noise as you go into second gear, then this tensioner would go blip because there's a really strong spring in there. And yeah, it's eaten half that wheel away, which is absolutely nuts. So the motor's back in, ready for a new one of these, this whole arm, cam chain, a new roller in here, and a couple of other things, new cam chain tensioner spring, and the little rubber on top of the cam chain tensioner. And then once they arrive, bloom, and he's on his way. It's crazy. But I mean, how many kilometers have you done now?
36,000.
Since new? Yeah. So that's about right. is crazy, man. So much stuff. So how much clothes do you have? Like enough for 1 week or?
4 pair of underwear.
Yeah, 4 underwear.
Underwear.
Yeah.
A tent.
Yeah, tent.
Some tools.
Yeah.
Spare shoes.
Yeah. So you've got less than him for sure.
Yeah, I have 30 liter, 12 liter, 12 liter, 6 liters. About 60 liters total.
Yeah. And you have to take that front bag off every time you fill up.
No. Oh,
No?
yeah. But
Yeah.
you do like this. Very easy.
Okay. You've run out before?
Yeah.
Yeah, quite a few
Few
times. Yeah.
Not many.
No.
But with that full tank, I can do. My record is 350.
Yeah,
kilometers,
yeah.
which
You
is-
said that. It's incredible.
It's insane, yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool key ring you have there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a
Never
new.
seen one before.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
I
Yeah?
got two cans of fuel here.
Yeah.
Rarely fill them up. This can.
10 liters, right?
Yeah.
5. 7 liters. And then what's this? 30 liters as well?
60.
60.
Yeah.
Plates like not Swedish but European plates or
This is a Swedish plate.
Swedish? Yeah.
I got my camping stuff here.
Yeah.
For my tent, and I got some clothes here.
Yeah.
What else do I have here? Chain lube.
Yeah. All your tools and
Some
maintenance.
spare tools.
Yeah.
Like, just some spare shit.
spare shit. Yeah.
This one I try to keep it empty all
Yeah.
the time, so I
Yeah.
can just have some snacks.
Yeah. Just eat the avocado while you're riding. And you've got a new rear shock, right?
Yeah, that's a new one, but
It's like taller than
it's
the
not
old one.
stock. It's
No.
not new, but it's not stock.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
This is the hardest
Here and
part for
there.
anyone that's taking videos is where do you put the...
So this one I had, I don't know what you call this, but
like-
some glue
Yeah.
to put around. So
It's,
quad lock
yeah.
for the phone.
Quad lock's
Um,
great. It's pretty strong. Small bike stuff, and thanks to Adrenaline
This fender
Motorcycles.
is new as well.
Yeah, it's like a KL or KLX.
From Kawasaki.
Yeah.
So done some modifications here.
Just chopped it halfway so that
Yeah.
doesn't come up.
I don't know how it looks, but I think it looks
I think it
quite
looks
rad.
Yeah, I think it's cool, man. That's really awesome.
So-
All on a Grom. What flags have we got here? Thailand, Indonesia, Cambodia, Malaysia,
Myanmar. Can
Myanmar.
you guess the left one there? Yeah.
That one there.
Iran.
Iran, is
Iran.
it? Yeah. Sweden,
Sweden.
Turkey,
Turkey,
India,
Pakistan.
Pakistan, yeah.
New
And
Zealand.
then, yeah, forget about that one. No, New Zealand. So this thing's all fixed and ready to go. Thanks to that fella and my part searching and you for coming all the way down here.
Yeah.
And Mike for just waiting. Thanks, man.
We will see you on the way back.
Yeah, on the return journey.
Don't work too much today.
I have to now. Spend too much time.
Right.
No, it's good, bro. All right.